Alright, I got my new servo in for the rudder. Let's see if you can read that. I don't know why it won't focus on that. Okay, whatever. It's an Emax ES08MD2. The only problem with it is that the lead was like half the length that I needed. So I bought a bunch of these lead extensions. There's like a set of 5 different sizes, 4 each of 5 different sizes. So my overall length is a little bit longer than what was in there before, but hopefully this servo is better. And I don't know how on earth I'm going to capture this, but let me get set up and this will hopefully be pretty easy. I'm sort of worried this is going to pull apart when I try to pull the cord through. So we'll see. This is probably hard to see, but I tied a simple slip knot. It doesn't look like it's in focus either. I tied a simple slip knot in this so that it's always tightening down on it. I'm just going to try to pull it through. Hopefully, like I said, I won't pull that connection apart, because that would be an enormous pain. Okay, that was good. Hard. Cool. Oh, here we go. Let's see if I can get this in frame here. There. There's the other end right there. All right. Okay. I mean, it feels like it's still together. Okay, I think what would be smart before I put the arm on is to probably plug it in and turn the plane on so that I know the arm is at like 0. So let me turn things around here. I'll get started on that. Okay, this is a really hard shot for me to do because I don't have any of the right stuff to do it. But if you can see that empty slot, and this is the receiver here. It's kind of the last slot there on the right. That's where the rudder goes, and black needs to face the front of the plane. I'll try to do this without knocking my camera over. That would be terrible. Let's see. Oh God, see that? Okay. Oh me. All right. There. I don't know if you can see that at all because I just moved so much stuff around, but it's plugged in. All I gotta do is grab the battery and hook that up and turn it on, and let the servo cycle, I think, and that'll make sure that it's back at kind of its 0 point of reference. Okay, transmitter's on, we plug the battery in. Okay. I'm assuming that's it. I'm gonna unplug the battery and hook the tail up, or hook the rudder up, I guess. I hear it moving. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. So, make sure my rudder's straight. And of course, I need to grab the arms that came with the servo because those don't fit. I'll be back. I didn't record it because my kids are out here, but we got it all back together. The arm, the one that comes with this servo, which of course is from Amazon, so who knows, the holes in it weren't as big as the holes in, come on, weren't as big as the holes in the original one. So I had to get my cleaner for my torch because it had one of the sizes for the cleaner were the same size as those holes. So I had to heat it up and melt its way through to make it fit. But it's in, it's together. So now all I have to do, I'll taxi it in the morning, and then I'm going to try to fly it again, and then I'm probably going to be fixing it again. I also think I'm going to take this apart. I mean, clearly the gear's stripped out in it because it was just spinning. But I don't know. That might be interesting to see what's inside there. Alright. New servo's on. I just want to check everything. Oh, that beeping's the controller. The rudder was a little off center. I just centered it up. Everything looks to be working. Those big fat tires are kind of hard to roll on concrete. Everything seems to be working, so I'm gonna cut it back off. Hopefully that's done. I'm gonna go fly it again and probably wreck it again because I have no idea what I'm doing. But on to the next thing. Okay, I know I said I was done, but I talked about those tires and how they're big and fat and they don't roll well in concrete. It's because they're pneumatic, which people were kind of freaking out about. They thought it was really cool. But you can see it, oh, it's kind of hard, but it retains a flat spot in it and it makes it hard to roll on concrete. Anyway, alright. Definitely done now. Here's that broken servo. Let's see. Whoa. Screw's a lot longer than I thought it was going to be. Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh. If I can get this to zoom. Can you see the broken gears? I'm going to take this off the stand. Okay. Let's see if I can get it to focus on that. There you go. You see this chipped gears? Let's see how much I can get it to focus. Oh. Well, you can kind of see there. There's some gears missing, or some teeth, not gears. I can lay it down this way. Come on. It must just be those few. Didn't take much. Okay.